Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a comment to your document created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website, select a Word document or a template that you want to create, and then tap on this review button at the top of the screen below the search bar. After that, tap on this new comment section in the middle of this section at the top, and here you can find this box on the right side, so you should type in your comment and tap on this send button, and as you can see it has been added to this selected part of the document. If you want to, you can reply to it or reply to others' comments. You can hit enter. If you want to, you can also edit your comment, resolve thread or delete thread, and you can also react to it by this thumbs up button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.